absolute honor to welcome out the human ray of sunshine. She is also the new TBS champion, Willow Nightingale.
It was a heartwarming way to close out the year 2025 for Willow Nightingale. 1 week ago, claiming the TBS Championship for the second time. It was an incredible back-and-forth battle against Mercedes Moné, the woman that defeated Willow Nightingale to win the TBS Championship to kick off her incredible reign. But it was Willow closing out 2025, reclaiming the TBS Championship, adding it to the AEW Women's World Tag Team Championship, and maybe even more importantly for Willow, the reunion with her estranged friend, Kris Statlander.
Willow Nightingale, you are now a double champion, and you are now a two-time TBS champion. That's got to be feeling pretty good heading into 2026.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling pretty great. I'm feeling complete because this is the first stop in the double champ Willow 2 Belts Tour in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And I know you win the championship. Now the hard work really begins. We put our head down. We get ready for the next challenger. But I also know it's very important to take in the good moments, smell the roses, celebrate when things really matter. And so I'm here with you, Renee. I'm here with my beautiful, busty, blonde, badass babe, Harley Cameron. The other half of the AEW Women's Tag Team Championship, but I'm also here to celebrate a reunion because I've been reunited with my beautiful TBS Championship. And that's pretty sweet. But I've also been reunited with the AEW World Women's Champion, the incomparable, the amazing Kris Statlander. And so we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna eat some dessert because let's be real, your girl loves some cake. But the one thing I love most of all is this. I love the fight. I love the competition. We're gonna get cake, but we're also gonna talk to our challengers. Because listen, if you wanna be TBS challenger, if you wanna be a tag team challenger, come, your girl wants the fight. I'll do 2 fights in one night if I have to. Because that's what pro wrestling is about.
Willow Nightingale inviting the vanquished former TBS champion.
That's something new. I mean, don't you think?
Well, you have to remember, Toni, Mercedes crashed not only the AEW Women's World Tag Team Championship celebration a few weeks ago, she also crashed Willow's first ever TBS Championship celebration.
Mercedes, girl, you are always so fashionable. You look so great. And we have so much to celebrate together. You have had an unstoppable 2025. PWI #1 Women's Wrestler of the Year. Sports Illustrated #1 Wrestler of the Year. You've gone from country to country, company to company. You've been racking up those championships, and you are now Ultimo Moné. And because of you, I've had to dig deep to get my TBS championship back. But I am, once more, the face of TBS! So let's cut some cake and have a great time, Mercedes.
Mercedes not doing well.
No, Mercedes did not seem like she's in the mood to celebrate. As
Oh, God.
Harley just trying to inject some levity. Oh! Mercedes. Face first into the cake. And wait a second, Willow. Oh, the cake!
Not the cake.
Former TBS champion.
He was invited out here to celebrate.
I guess the celebration can begin for the two-time TBS champion, Willow Nightingale. One half the AEW Women's World Tag Team Champions, Harley Cameron. The AEW Women's World Champion, Kris Statlander.
Ultimate embarrassment. Ultimate.
That is going to be one hell of a dry cleaning bill. But fans